They call Epsom salt bath the poor man's spa treatment, a cheap soak that helps millions fight pain, stress, and tired skin from home. Centuries ago, villagers in Epsom, England, found a spring that healed wounds and eased pain. They believed it was blessed water. Later, scientists learned it contained magnesium sulfate, now called Epsom salt. This mineral helps muscles, nerves, and bones work properly. And when you soak in it, it does more than relax your body. Let me share some of the benefits here in this video. Number 1. Replenish magnesium. Many people do not get enough magnesium from food. Modern soil has less of it than before. Processed meals and some common medicines also lower magnesium in the body. Improved levels help you overcome poor sleep, cramps, and constant fatigue. Number 2. The power of soaking. Warm water opens your pores. When Epsom salt dissolves, the minerals enter through the skin and spread through the body. Small studies have found that magnesium levels can rise after regular soaking. Inside your body, magnesium helps relax muscles and reduce tension. It brings calm, like lowering the volume on a loud radio at night. Number 3. Better sleep. Quality people who take a short Epsom bath before bed often fall asleep faster. Magnesium helps the brain produce calming signals. It also supports melatonin, the hormone that controls sleep cycles. When these are steady, you stay asleep through the night instead of waking up tired. Athletes also use magnesium soaks to recover faster after hard training. Rest is only one side of this mineral's magic. Number 4. Stronger bones. Your bones store most of the magnesium in your body. Without enough of it, calcium cannot do its job. That means your bones may become weaker even if you take calcium supplements. Soaking 2 or 3 times a week helps relax joints and keeps your frame strong. It is a quiet way to protect balance and movement as you age. But bones are not the only thing that benefit. Number 5. Healthier skin. Epsom salt gently removes dry skin. The minerals help the surface hold moisture and stay smooth. Mix it with olive oil or honey for a simple scrub. Use it once or twice a week and rinse with cool water. People often say their skin feels soft again and looks brighter after a few weeks. If you deal with swollen ankles or feet, this can help too. Number 6. Reduce swelling. When you soak in Epsom salt, the solution pulls extra fluid out of your skin. It helps reduce puffiness and pressure. This works well after standing or walking all day. It brings comfort without harsh chemicals or strong creams. Number 7. Improve blood circulation. Magnesium helps blood vessels relax so blood flows more freely. You may notice your hands or feet feeling warmer during a soak. That means your circulation is improving. Better flow supports heart health and helps your body recover faster from stress. Number 8. Support natural detox. Warm water makes you sweat gently, which helps remove waste through your skin. Sulfates in the salt support the body's natural cleansing process. After a soak, many people feel lighter and more awake. With that said, here is how to use it safely. Add 2 cups of Epsom salt in a warm bath. Soak for about 20 minutes. Or if you just need a foot soak, use half a cup of salt in a basin of warm water. Repeat 2 or 3 times a week. That's it. And thank you for watching. Please tell us in the comments which country you are from, and if you have ever tried Epsom salt or something similar. We would love to hear your story.